All right, friends. This game is called Mystery Maze, and my friend Megan gave me the idea for this game. And what you're going to need is you're going to need some squares, or I'm going to use paper plates. It might be a little bit wasteful to use paper plates, but try to recycle some things that maybe you have in your house. And you're going to make a grid that is going to be 4 by 4, and it's going to make a square. And it's going to be a 4 by 4 square. And I will show you those materials in just a minute, but you're also going to need someone to help you with this game. So it can be a sibling or parent, and then y'all can take turns when that person has gone. So I will show you how it's set up and explain the game, but the game is called Mystery Maze. All right, friends, so this is what your grid is going to look like. And you can see that I have 4 rows and 4 columns. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to figure out what the pattern is. So if I have someone playing with me, which this is really the only way you can do it is if you have someone playing with you, they are going to be looking at a key. So this is my key, and this has 4 different mazes on it. And you can see where this arrow is. This is where it starts, and this is where it ends. And honestly, you could put the arrow here, you could put the arrow here. It doesn't really matter where you put it, just as long as the person who's doing it knows where to start and knows where to end. So if I was doing this first maze and I knew to start on that first block right there, if I went to the right one, which is where this maze is telling me to go, if I went to the right one, the person who is holding this card is going to tell me that I did it correctly. Now I know that is that's always going to be, that's not going to change. So that is correct. So I moved from there to there, and that means that was correct for that first maze. Now, if I were to, you can obviously move diagonally like I've done on some of these. So if I were to move from there to there on my grid, so I just moved from there to there. If I move from there to there, I know that that is incorrect, and the person who is holding the card is going to tell me that that is incorrect. But if I were to move from there to there, that middle plate, then I know that that would be correct, and that I have one more step correct in my maze. So you're just going to keep doing that until the person gets this one figured out all the way around, and then they're able to get out. And then if you have a sibling or even a parent who wants to do it, they can do the next one, and then you can be the one who holds the card and does the second maze. So really, there is a mystery pattern in here. That's why it's called Mystery Maze. And you are trying to figure out what that pattern is. So I hope that's a good game, and I hope y'all are having a good day.